This is History as Future channel by Mika Horelli. Welcome. Did you know there's a correlation between nearsightedness and intelligence? Intriguing, isn't it? Numerous studies suggest that individuals with myopia, or nearsightedness, often score higher on intelligence scales. But hold on a moment, this doesn't mean if you're nearsighted you're guaranteed to be a genius, nor does it imply that being a whiz kid will have you reaching for reading glasses. It's correlation, not causation. So what might explain this intriguing correlation? Let's delve deeper. Firstly, we must consider genetic factors. Genetics play a significant role in many aspects of our lives, including our intelligence and our eyesight. Scientists have discovered that certain genes may influence both brain development and eye growth simultaneously. For example, genes that control the growth of the eye could potentially contribute to myopia or nearsightedness. At the same time, these genes might also influence the development of the brain, particularly the areas associated with intelligence. This could potentially explain why individuals with myopia often have higher intelligence scores. But it's important to remember that this is not a straightforward cause and effect relationship. Just as not everyone with these genes will develop myopia or have high intelligence, not everyone with myopia or high intelligence will have these genes. This is a complex interplay of genetic factors that we are only beginning to understand. But genes are not the whole story. There's more to this correlation. Another key factor in this equation is the environment. It's fascinating to note that activities typically associated with intelligence development, such as reading, computer use, or other forms of close-up work, might also contribute to the development of myopia. Here's the crucial point to remember. These activities do not directly cause intelligence or myopia. Instead, they may influence both. Just as how consistent gym workouts may lead to a healthier, fitter body, consistent mental workouts may stimulate both intellectual growth and certain physical changes. Think about it this way: when you're engaged in close-up work, you're exercising your brain and your eyes. Over time, these activities might lead to adaptations in both areas, sharper mental acuity and changes in eye growth patterns that result in myopia. This relationship is complex and multifaceted, and it's an area of ongoing research. Now let's move on to a different kind of influence. Our socioeconomic status might also play a role in this correlation. A higher socioeconomic status often translates into better educational opportunities and resources. This can lead to an increase in intelligence test scores as individuals are exposed to a broader range of learning experiences and materials. But there's another side to this coin. Our higher socioeconomic status often means more time spent on indoor activities and reading, both of which have been associated with the development of myopia. It's a lifestyle that might unknowingly promote the condition, so we see that both higher intelligence scores and myopia might be influenced by the same socioeconomic factors. It's like two sides of the same coin. But remember, correlation does not mean causation. Just because these factors often go hand in hand doesn't mean one causes the other. However, we must be cautious when interpreting these findings. Understanding the limitations of the studies and interpretations is crucial. The variation in methodology, sample size, and population demographics can significantly influence results. Therefore, it's imperative to approach these studies with a discerning eye. Furthermore, intelligence is a multifaceted trait. It's not easily quantified or universally defined, adding another layer of complexity to the interpretation of these findings. In summary, the correlation between myopia and higher intelligence scores is a complex issue influenced by a mixture of genetic, environmental, and socioeconomic factors. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you want more video columns on current topics, subscribe to the channel History as Future.